Imagine trying to build your house on a giant rock. It would be nearly impossible to lay a foundation, right? The ground is so hard and unyielding that it would take a lot of effort and special tools to even make a dent. This is similar to the struggle plants face when they try to grow in hard, compacted soil. That's what it's like for plants trying to grow in hard soil. They face an uphill battle from the very start. The seeds might find it difficult to even sprout, and if they do, the young plants have to push through tough, unyielding ground. Hard soil is tightly packed together, making it difficult for plants to grow their roots and reach the water and nutrients they need. The roots have to work extra hard to penetrate the dense soil, which can slow down their growth and make them more vulnerable to other stresses. Just like we need air to breathe, plants need air pockets in the soil for their roots to breathe. These air pockets allow for the exchange of gases, which is crucial for root health and overall plant growth. Without these pockets, roots can suffocate and the plant can struggle to survive. Hard soil doesn't have much space for air, which can suffocate the roots. When the soil is too compacted, it restricts the movement of air and water, creating a challenging environment for plants to thrive. It's tough to get a drink when the ground is rock solid. Plants need water to survive, but hard soil makes it difficult for water to penetrate and reach the roots. This can lead to dehydration and stress for the plant. Hard soil doesn't absorb water easily, so rain often runs off, leaving the plant's roots thirsty. Instead of soaking into the ground, the water flows away, taking with it the essential nutrients that plants need to grow. But nature is full of surprises, and plants have found clever ways to survive even in the toughest of soils. Some plants have developed strong, resilient roots that can break through hard ground, while others have adapted to store water more efficiently. These adaptations allow them to thrive in environments that would be challenging for most other plants. Plant roots are amazing. They're the unsung heroes of the plant world, working tirelessly beneath the surface. They're like tiny explorers on a mission to find water and nutrients. These roots navigate through the soil, sensing and responding to their environment. In hard soil, some plants grow strong, thick roots that act like powerful drills. These roots can break through tough barriers, ensuring the plant's survival. These roots can push their way through compacted soil, creating space for themselves and thinner roots to follow. This process not only benefits the plant, but also improves soil structure. Imagine a tiny root tip slowly but surely pushing apart bits of soil, making a path for the plant to grow strong. This delicate yet determined movement is crucial for the plant's development. Other plants have roots that spread out wide and shallow like a net cast over the ground. This strategy allows them to cover more area and access water and nutrients from a larger surface. This helps them catch as much water as possible when it rains, even if the water doesn't soak deep into the soil. These roots are especially beneficial in areas with irregular rainfall. It's like having lots of tiny straws ready to slurp up every drop. These roots ensure that the plant remains hydrated and healthy even in challenging conditions. Roots also form symbiotic relationships with soil organisms like fungi, which help them absorb nutrients more efficiently. This teamwork is essential for the plant's overall health and growth. Additionally, roots anchor the plant firmly in the soil, providing stability and preventing erosion. They hold the soil together, making it less likely to be washed away by rain or wind. From thick, strong roots to wide, shallow networks, each root system is uniquely adapted to its environment. These clever roots ensure that plants thrive in diverse conditions, showcasing nature's incredible ingenuity. Some plants simply laugh in the face of hard soil. They've adapted to thrive in these challenging conditions. Take the yucca plant, for example. It grows in dry, rocky deserts where other plants struggle to survive. The yucca has deep taproots that can reach water sources far below the surface. It also has tough, sword-shaped leaves that help it conserve water in the scorching sun. Talk about being tough. Another survivor is the lavender plant. It loves well-drained soil, which means water passes through it easily. Hard soil can sometimes be well-drained, making it a surprisingly good home for lavender. Its beautiful purple flowers and fragrant scent make it a favorite in gardens around the world. Section 4. Friends, underground, plants and fungi. Plants don't face the challenges of hard soil alone. They often encounter compacted soil that makes it difficult for their roots to spread and access essential nutrients and water. This can be a significant obstacle to their growth and survival. Fortunately, they have secret helpers living in the soil called mycorrhizal fungi. These fungi are not just passive residents, they actively engage with the plant roots to form a beneficial relationship. These fungi form a special partnership with plant roots, creating an amazing underground network. This network is often referred to as the wood wide web because of its complexity and efficiency in connecting different plants. The fungi are like tiny threads that spread out far and wide, reaching even the smallest spaces in the hard soil. They extend the reach of the plant roots, allowing them to access areas that would otherwise be inaccessible. They help the plant roots access water and nutrients that would otherwise be out of reach. This includes essential minerals like phosphorus and nitrogen, which are crucial for the plant's growth and development. In return, the plant shares some of the sugars it makes through photosynthesis with the fungi. It's a win-win situation. The sugars provide the fungi with the energy they need to grow and thrive. This incredible partnership shows how nature works together in amazing ways. The symbiotic relationship between plants and fungi is a testament to the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Even in the toughest of environments, plants and fungi team up to help each other survive. Whether in rocky terrains or nutrient-poor soils, their collaboration ensures resilience and adaptability, showcasing the remarkable strategies life employs to flourish. Section 5, a helping hand for hard times. Sometimes even the toughest plants need a little help to thrive in hard soil. Gardeners and farmers have developed techniques to improve soil conditions for plants. Adding compost or manure helps break up hard soil, making it looser and easier for roots to grow. Mulching is another helpful technique. It involves covering the soil with organic matter like bark chips or straw. This helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and improve soil structure over time. It's like giving the soil a cozy blanket. By understanding the challenges plants face in hard soil, we can learn how to better care for them and create environments where they can flourish. Section 6. Nature's Solutions, Our Inspiration. Plants have evolved incredible strategies to survive in hard soil, teaching us valuable lessons about resilience and adaptation. By observing nature's solutions, we can find inspiration for our own challenges. Just like plants develop strong roots to overcome obstacles, we too can develop inner strength and determination to face difficulties. And just as plants collaborate with fungi to thrive, we can achieve more by working together and supporting each other. Section 7. The wonders beneath our feet. The next time you see a plant growing in hard soil, take a moment to appreciate its remarkable journey. Beneath the surface, a hidden world of roots, fungi, and intricate relationships is hard at work, showcasing the wonders of nature's ingenuity. By understanding and appreciating these processes, we can become better stewards of our planet and ensure that plants continue to thrive for generations to come.